Welcome to Dex Volume Bots, powered by Ranga Technologies. In today's video, we're diving into the world of multi-chain gaming by exploring the development of wheel games on Blast, Avalanche, AVAX, and Polygon networks. Whether you're a developer or a blockchain enthusiast, this video will guide you through the key steps to creating engaging, cross-chain wheel games that maximize user engagement. In this video, we explore the process of developing multi-chain wheel games on Blast, Avalanche, AVAX, and Polygon networks. Learn how to expand your game's reach, optimize for each blockchain, and enhance user engagement with these cutting-edge strategies. Multi-chain integration is becoming increasingly important in the blockchain gaming space. By developing your wheel game on multiple networks like Blast, Avalanche, and Polygon, you can expand your audience, reach a broader user base by making your game accessible across different blockchain ecosystems, enhance user experience, provide players with the flexibility to use their preferred network, ensuring a smoother and more engaging gaming experience, leverage network strengths. Each blockchain offers unique advantages, whether it's the speed of Avalanche, the security of Polygon, or the innovative features of Blast. Integrating all three can help you create a robust and versatile gaming platform. Building a wheel game across multiple chains requires careful planning and execution. Here are the key technical considerations. Smart contract deployment. You'll need to develop and deploy smart contracts on Blast, AVAX, and Polygon. Ensure that these contracts are compatible across the different chains and handle the unique aspects of each network. Cross-chain compatibility. Use interoperability protocols to enable seamless communication between the chains. This will allow users to participate in the game regardless of the network they are on. Testing and optimization. Rigorously test your game on each network to ensure smooth operation. Optimize the game for the specific characteristics of each blockchain, such as transaction speed and gas fees. Engaging users is crucial for the success of any blockchain game. By supporting multiple chains, you can offer more choices. Players can choose their preferred network, enhancing their gaming experience and increasing their likelihood of participation. Reward with native tokens. Integrate native tokens from Blast, AVAX, and Polygon as rewards in your wheel game. This not only boosts token utility but also drives player engagement. Create a competitive edge. Multi-chain support can differentiate your game from others, attracting a larger and more diverse audience. Security and scalability are paramount in blockchain game development. To ensure your wheel game is secure and scalable, implement best practices. Use established security protocols and practices when deploying smart contracts on Blast, AVAX, and Polygon. Optimize for scalability. Design your game to handle a large number of players, ensuring it remains stable and responsive even as it grows. Regular audits. Conduct regular security audits to identify and address any vulnerabilities, keeping your game safe and reliable. By developing multi-chain wheel games on Blast, Avalanche, and Polygon, you can create a dynamic, engaging, and secure gaming experience that appeals to a wide audience. Ready to bring your game to life? Subscribe to Dex Volume Bots for more insights into blockchain development. And let Ranga Technologies help you turn your vision into reality. Together, we can revolutionize the gaming experience.